Hi everybody! Welcome back on my channel, Rosie here. And for today's video, we are going to do a very simple look. Yung pang everyday lang mga moms. Kaya kita nyo, wala tayong, tawag dito, wala po ako sa aking studio which I film all my makeup tutorials. So right now, I am in my condo. So, ngayon, dito tayo mag-mock up dahil nga nag-OJT ako, so nandito ako sa condo. So, without further ado, let's get started with this everyday makeup tutorial. So, with my everyday makeup tutorial, I always use a face mist because that's the only thing I put in my face when I had to put my makeup. So, ayan, nakatuwalya pa po ako kasi bagong ligo lang ako dahil pupunta po ako sa may labas, bibili ako ng bigas. So, I always use a face mist. I use the Sashi Rose Water Face Mist, this one. I bought it in RCBC Plaza. There's a bazaar outside of that building and I bought one of their rose water face mist. Super mura nito. It's 150 pesos and you can also see some of their products in Shopee. Just search the Sashi Naturals in Shopee. So I'm going to use this and we're going to put it all over our face. So, before starting to do our full face, we are going to use a brow pencil to fix our brows. So, we're just going to fix it. Kasi I can't go out without putting a brow. Meron naman akong syempreng kilay. Syempre naman, sino ba naman walang kilay maliban kay Jeffree Star tsaka kay... Wow, taga nasama si Jeffree Star. So, ayan. Dilinya lang natin. Ay, hindi naman tayo bobongga sa labas. Ito, pang ano lang to, panggala lang with your friends. Kaya lang, medyo full coverage yung foundation ko today. Wala pala akong dalang hindi full coverage. Naiwanan ko yung BB cream ko sa bahay. So, for our foundation, dahil nga marami nga akong blemishes, so I don't want people to see all those blemishes. I'm using this Dream Velvet foundation. So, konti lang yung gagamitin natin dahil dyan lang naman tayo sa labas pupunta. So, konti lang. Doon lang sa mga spot na sa tingin mo, gusto mo itago. Kasi, nakakatago talaga to ng mga kemeroots sa mukha. Ayan, dito. Tapos, dito of course. Kasi ang dami ko talaga ditong acne marks. Marami akong acne marks. Yung mga... So, para naman iset ang ating makeup or ang ating funda, syempre kukuha tayo ng pang-set natin dyan. Nasaan ba yung kunin natin itong brush na to. At ang magic pulbo. Syempre, hindi wala ang Johnson's Baby Powder para pang everyday. Kasi, syempre, pag everyday makeup yon medyo low budget ka lang kasi nga araw-araw mo naman ginagamit. Kuwari, lalabas ka lang with your friends, dyan lang, sa may kanto, ganun. O kaya yung lalabas ka lang kasi bibili ka ng tinapay sa may bakery at may gwapo sa labas, kaya kailangan may makeup ka. So, or pupunta ka sa karinderya para bumili ng ulam, pero nakita mong may wafo doon na nagtitinda, so kailangan may makeup. So, kailangan natin ng Johnson's Baby Powder para hindi mahulas ang ating mukha. With our brush, syempre naka-brush pa rin tayo, no? Kung wala kayong brush, nako, mga sponge, pwede rin ng sponge. O kaya kamayin nyo na lang, ilagay nyo sa, gawin nyo espasol yung mukha nyo, okay na yun. Pero, syempre kailangan natin, kung gusto mong naka-BB cream ka, ganyan, tapos gusto mong iset, baby powder is the best. Talaga nga naman. Alam nyo guys, kaya ako nag-film ngayon because I am broken-hearted. Kaya talaga nag-film ako ngayon. Yes, I'm broken-hearted. Pero, syempre, hindi natin papahalata na broken tayo. Umasa na siya na. Wow. Umasa naman kasi talaga tayo na siya na, pero hindi pa pala. Sayang. Ayaw talaga ni Lord. Hindi talaga pinagbibigyan ni Lord na magkatagpo kami, magkita kami, ganun. Kaya, wala. Sayang talaga. Pero, we'll jump to our blush. We are going to use this BH Cosmetics blush. Kung wala kayong ganito, syempre wala naman kayong kailangan. Nyo ba kailangan? Nakapalit pa. Kahit lip tint. Lip tint. Pakpak nyo dito nyo, huh? Carry na yan. Pero kasi ako hindi ako nag-lip tint kasi nadadry po yung lips ko sa lip tint. At medyo namumove ng lip tint yung ating funda. So, pag na-move siya, mawawala yung coverage ng funda mo. Kaya, hindi ako nag-lip tint. So, mag-blushan tayo. Yung medyo, lang, simple lang. Ito lang. Dito lang, oh. Carry na yan. Hindi ka naman kekembot, eh. Bibili lang ako ng Anong tawag doon? Bigas. Bibili akong bigas sa labas. Diyan lang yun, eh. Malapit sa plaza. Kaya, pag may gwapo, may make-up. Yun, eh. Pag may gwapo, may make-up. At syempre, para hindi tayo mukhang hulastic at mukha tayong may sakit, ay magli-lipstick tayo. So, what I'm going to use is, I don't know either. Hindi ko rin alam. Ito. Itong lipstick na to. From Beauty Now and Next on the shade Naughty. Naughty. So, lagay lang natin ng konti. Para kung wari nadampian ka lang ng ng atsuete sa labi. Diba? Ganyan lang yung everyday. Yung pang lang, ang labas lang. Pwede na. Pwede nang maghanap ng gwapo. Charot. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe on my channel so you can be part of the hashtag Rose Squad. So, happy New Year. It's 2018 and I wanted to thank all of you for subscribing and watching my videos. I know that I'm not that good. I know that I'm not that good. But, I just wanted to tell you that I am going to do my best, to give all my best to all my videos, to give you great content. So, sana mag-stay put lang po kayo dyan until we get to the top. Tapusin na natin to kasi bibili na ako ng bigas, baka magsara din tindahan. And I have Puppy Apparel discount, 10% discount on Puppy Apparel at rosebanzonblogph, link down below. I also have affiliate program with travelbook.ph. If you're going here in the Philippines, travelbook.ph will give you the best accommodation. So yeah, lahat yon nasa description box below if you want to follow me on my Instagram account at rosebanzon, Snapchat at rosebanzon, Twitter at rosebanzon, my fashion blog www.myplaintwistedblogspot.com, and please subscribe on my channel. Don't forget about that. Be beautiful, be confident, and reach all your dreams, darling. So guys, last December 25, I am so happy that day because someone just talked to me and told me that she watched my vlog. If you are watching this vlog, ate girl, thank you so much because you made my Christmas day complete. Sabi niya, alam niya daw yung YouTube channel ko, napanood niya daw yung videos ko. So, I'm super happy that people really told me that they watch my videos. I am really happy about that. Sana wag kang tumigil to watch my videos, to support me, because I will do my best. I will do my best to have a great content and to give it all to all of you. At maraming salamat talaga. Kasi kung di dahil sa inyo, wala po ako dito. So I don't have 100 subscribers, I cannot have a 10,000 views. Pero hindi pa ako naka 10,000. Wait lang kayo dyan. At kundi dahil sa inyo lahat, I would have been a YouTuber. So, sobrang thank you. At kahit broken-hearted ako today dahil hindi siya nagpakita at pinaghintay niya ako, okay lang. Kasi, andyan naman kayo. Diba? So, thank you so much for supporting me. Hayaan na natin siya. Siya naman ang hindi nag-effort. Ako naman nag-effort ako. So, sa'yo, hindi mo maintindihan to kasi English siya. Yes. Kaya hindi niya maintindihan to. So, kahit anong gawin niya, kahit panoorin niya to, hindi niya maintindihan. Kaya, ikaw, sana nag-effort ka man lang. Diba? So, yeah. Yun na yun. At broken-hearted tayo today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Now, we'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys! May chance ba? Asado ba? Asado. Why won't you stay? Never go away from me. When you said that we met again, why did you have to leave me?
Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice.